special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 5:45
special marine warning from the National Weather Service.
A strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail.
Until 5:45 p.m. At 3:30,
Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Usable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Usable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Winthrop Harbor to Northerly Island, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan.
The National Weather
Until 5:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 8 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, Wilmette Harbor, Winthrop Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Diversey Harbor, Waukegan Harbor, and Usable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.